Happy Beltane, everyone. In case you're not familiar with it, Beltane is a celebration in witchcraft, in pagan celebrations of the middle between spring and summer. So we're halfway there. Today is the 1st of May and it's also Monday. It's always so satisfying whenever the first day of the month starts on a Monday. I know in some countries and in some cultures, the week starts on a Sunday. Here in Spain, it starts on a Monday. So it's very satisfying for me. I'm currently a little bit sick. I went to a Bruce Springsteen concert. It was amazing. I had such a good time. My dog is looking at me. Okay, that's it. Bye.
I carefully did stray down by the walls of Wapping, where I met a sailor.
I'm taking my medication and really does not taste good.
But
it helps.
A young lass who seemed to be in pain, saying, "William, when you go, I fear you'll never return again. My heart is pierced like you, but
I guess now we can say that COVID is officially over, which is kind of weird, but that's nice. We have been in a terrible drought here in Spain, so the fact that it's raining right now, my entire bedroom is being wet, so I need to close my window. I was reading The Hunger Games. I'm at the part where a certain character dies, a very beloved character dies. It's under some journal. Hi everyone, the sun is coming out. It was raining a little bit before. I feel like I haven't properly talked in my past few videos. I just haven't been very talkative. I'm currently in a good mental state. It's just that my anxiety has been terrible. I've been having a lot of problem with sleeping, eating, and just going out and doing things because of my anxiety. I'm slowly changing that. I'm trying to force myself to do things that I've been putting off for the longest time, so I can try to make my anxiety better. It's just, work in progress. Anyways, let's talk about some reading updates. I'm currently in the 3rd book of the Hunger Games. I'm currently reading Mockingjay. Mockingjay is not my favorite. I feel like I don't have the connection with Mockingjay as much as I had with the Hunger Games and Catching Fire, but I'm still liking it. I'm still enjoying my reread of the 3rd book. I'm also currently reading Fiesta, The Sun Also Rises by Ernest Hemingway. I've annotated some parts, but this book is not making a huge impact in my life. I am liking it, don't get me wrong. The best way I can describe my experience with Hemingway is that even though his characters and his plot doesn't really develop, I connect a lot with his writing style. His characters have no development at all. Throughout the entire story, his characters are one-dimensional, I think, and nothing changes in their lives. With the plot, you know, some things happened, but I feel like his plot is more of a diary entry. Like, you just read everything that is going on, nothing too spectacular is happening, and it's just, you know, characters existing. But his writing style, I really like it. I know you either love or hate it. This is also set between Paris and the north of Spain, Pamplona, so that's always good to read about. Tomorrow I have a big thing happening in my life, and it's just giving me so much anxiety. I fucking hate it. Anyways, I'm also going to Girona this weekend, so that's going to be fun.
Si tú me hubieras dicho siempre la verdad, si hubieras amado cuando te amé, que estás aquí, pero ha pasado el tiempo y yo también cambié. Ahora te puedes marchar de amar, ahora te puedes marchar.
It's such a gloomy day today. Taylor Swift just announced that she's going to release again Snow on the Beach featuring Lana Del Rey, and the title literally says Snow on the Beach featuring more Lana Del Rey. I love that song, but Lana Del Rey is barely in the song. She's like 3 seconds in the song. So I'm just so happy that they are releasing another version of the song, I guess. And also, I didn't talk about this, but she announced Speak Now, Taylor's version. Betty's here with me and she's also very excited. We're going to get Enchanted and Better for Revenge. A lot of Swifties are saying that she's going to change the lyrics for Better Than Revenge. Maybe she will, I don't know. We're getting Snow on the Beach featuring more Lana Del Rey and Speak Now, Taylor's version, this summer. Well, hopefully Snow on the Beach is going to be sooner. I actually don't know when she's going to release it. I need to check that. I'm going to change into my pajamas right now and I'm going to continue watching The Crown. I actually started watching The Crown with my mother. I cannot watch new TV series alone. Like, I love rewatching TV series, don't get me wrong, and I love doing that alone, but when it comes to starting a new one, I just need someone to watch it with me, otherwise I just won't really commit to it. My dog is here with me. I think she wants to go to bed. I'm going to put on some comfy clothes, my pajamas, and I'm going to continue watching The Crown. I'm really liking it so far from what I've seen. So yeah, that's that.